Okay, hello. Let's get started here. Set up here. And what's the on the September contract, guys? For today. I'm liking longs right now. Come back down here. I'm looking to take entry long. Oh shit. Okay. I'm liking longs out here. What do you guys think? Longs, long and shorts right now. I would like for this 50-minute flip first, but I'm liking longs at this a turtle grab here. Okay, let's see. Probably stop is down here, going for a target. Yeah, I still won the century. Hello, guys. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Now we're ready to work again. I think Desi went hop on. We get him on. Let me change it. Yo, what's up? Alright, wait, say them again? Let me check your volume.
Testing.
Yeah, it's good. Did you roll over? I'm still in September. I think people usually stay on September for the next, like, maybe today or tomorrow, or maybe tomorrow is the day you switch because the volume's higher. Do you know when you're gonna switch, Desi? I always forget.
I usually wait for you. I'm not gonna lie. My
What's
chat's
the
been
volume
asking me,
thing?
I'm like, whenever Brian switches, I'm switching.
Z has more volume? Is that so? I'll probably switch tomorrow then. I'll keep for now at least. What is the volume like anyway? Let me see.
On Tradevate, it showed it earlier. Z had more.
They're pretty close though. Yeah, I'll just switch tomorrow. It's all good. I'm looking at longs right now. What are you thinking?
Dude. I wanted a sweep of 5505.
5505.
Or not 55, 5605. Yes.
Oh, okay, let me see.
But
Something
I'm
high
pretty
tech?
long biased this week.
Yeah.
Besides that.
Good afternoon, Ash. Hello.
Ash, my guy. But yeah, daily gaps underneath. I think we're gonna run those equal highs finally. Hopefully.
They've been teasing it for the longest time.
Yeah.
Where is it? Hourly. $690 basically. I have a feeling like we just go up there, maybe we'll do a pop to like 700 or something, and then we're just gonna run back down, all the way down. September vibes.
Yeah, today's price action has been pretty ass. The only thing I took in the morning was the 933 inversion to the 930 high.
Let's see. Did anyone get their Apex payout from September, the early September? I think like last day was yesterday actually, September 15th. Some people got the now emails. I didn't get anything yet. Let me check again. It's probably under review though. Yeah, it's under review. What the hell? I gotta go through that again.
Yeah, right. Everything else was kind of me.
You got one approved and one under review. That's kind of weird.
Bro, so Brian, I had a Top X like accounts renew, the ones that are on sale.
Mm-hmm.
And I had 5 of them copy trading, and then I passed it. I was like, let's go. I look, only one copied.
Oh, damn.
I'm like, you know what? I'll finish this tomorrow. Top X has been pretty buns, man.
I'm still waiting for Apex to do. They can make up for it if they can just implement their survey rules. The update late trading days, no window. They also promise quicker approvals. Like they keep on saying that, but like I feel like a lot of people approval just take the very last day. So it's like 2 weeks
Yeah.
to even get like a decision. Well, every other firm literally get approved in I don't even know like a few days at most. Sometimes like the same day.
I'm about to request my funny futures today. It's gonna be like 10 minutes, bro.
Yeah, like when I hear that my for the future is like approving like in 5 minutes, I'm like I've been waiting for a decision, not an approval yet, for 2 weeks. Like,
They sit here for 2 weeks,
Jesus,
then you get accepted, then you get another 2 weeks to hit the bank. By the time you know it, it's already next year.
this is absurd.
Yeah, MFU's goaded for that.
I like a lot higher prices right now. I also hope I can get my TradeFi account payouts
This week?
CC. Well, I'm close. I'm like $1,500. Well, I think I need certain days too. I forgot about that. I think I've been like day 6, day 5, so maybe 10 days total. I believe is what I was told. So yeah, it could be this week.
Good.
Let's see.
Don't they have payout windows?
Oh, they do have payout windows.
They do have, yeah. That's
It might just
JPEG.
take longer then. Let me see. Let me see the payout window.
I think it's like Apex.
15th to 18th, it says. So I have 2 days. I'm definitely not making it. Bro, I gotta talk to Bresson and be like, hey, can you just remove the payout window, man?
For real. I hate payout windows, bro. It's so dumb.
Almost ready to get a payout for a trade. Look at this, guys. Account 2 is at basically 7K profits, and account 1 is actually at 8.3K profits. I would have already got enough already, but my high stays higher. I think you need 7,500 plus 100. So, and then also bought. I didn't know, but TradeFi also has like a My Funny Future version. It's called a growth account basically,
Yeah.
and there's no activation fees. Like it's almost the same thing as My Funny Futures. Oh, let me see this. I'm gonna try this long here. Oh. I kind of saw it. Like, let's see. Okay, I think we'll fill it anyways. I'm gonna also trade it on my top step account here. I like this kind of setup. Like drive in the 5 minute and then run back up. There we go. That's a beautiful push already. Let's see if my copy traders are okay. Good. I want to also try to get it on my trade if I kind of should have marketed in. Let's see. So I got my entry on Top Step, just not on Tradeify yet. Because I have my limits in already. I'm kind of targeting a nice 15-minute flip here. Would also be nice if ES would flip too. Let's look at the higher time frame. Let's see. Take profit trader daily withdrawals. Yeah, I do recall that. I'm gonna get some funny accounts with them, or I already passed them. I just need to do their minimum trading days, which reminds me, it's like 5 trading days. I only have like 3 so far. I hit the balance needed already, which is good. Alright, let's see if I can pick up some entries here. Let's see. Alright, flip close down on a 58 would be not good here. My entry, I just put my stop in. I'm just gonna tight stop on this, just 2 minis right now. Let's see. Or this 10-point stop. I'll re-enter if this does just wick out, come back up, but should keep it very tight for now. Nice healthy drive in, see if we can hold back up. Just get inverse, that would be also a nice push up to the 390s here. Ten-point stop. See if we can close above. 2 more minutes for a closure here. Looking pretty healthy here. Mm-hmm. 76. This should be like 1.5 hour. We can back up. Let's see. It's kind of just stagnant, but we're into the right side of things at least. I'm gonna take 1 off here and then put green stop in. Haven't hit.
Good inversion here. You should be sailing.
Yeah, and the inversion should hit here. I'm gonna hold on my top step.
Yeah.
So let's say use Shift T to show execution, or let me see. Oh no, I don't know what this is.
Yeah, I'm so bad at trading on TradingView, dude.
I am, so I'm only doing it for the stream because
Yeah, I know, I know.
I did something. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay, I just exited out. Good. I was gonna do random orders. That'd be so bad. We're at 15 points on this trade with a 10-point stop on it. That's 1.5 hour. I want to see if I get the last one. I put a green stop, just a 2-point stop on it so far. Either take me bigger stop or try to go for like a big trade. What's up, Cyrix? 20 points on this trade, guys. First trade of the day, baby. Oh, I should have shared this in my Discord. It's something I always neglect. I'll just do this. Next year, I'll make sure to post on stream. I just forgot. Or post on Discord. Nice inversion there. Nice close. Boom. See if we can get how far we can get there. Just gonna try to take at 93 here. There we go. Still holding my top step here. Let's see. Should I do what Lanto does and just stop? I hate doing it so, or like I get so scared because I'm like, I'm already up 1500. Like, do I need a? I don't know. Do what Lanto does. I need Lanto to be here so he can tell me, like, let's say I get this trade, like, where do I trail it?
I would think he'd go under the inversion here.
But that just like kill. I don't know. Damn, it's tough. I'm gonna take some off at least though.
Yeah, I think this is a good close.
What the heck?
That was good.
Good drive in there though. How many people took that trade, guys? Press 1. It's a very nice, healthy, like 30-point move. It's gonna get trailed. Like the first time I'm doing it. Dude, Lanto makes it so easy. He just takes a trade.
He catches on the trend days where like every 1 minute gap slams like another 50 points.
I feel like today's not a good day for it just because it's so like choppy. Like look at the range is going back and forth. Just ass get trailed out. But yeah, let me see my execution again on trade 5. I think we did pretty good there. Long at 62, take 1 at 75 for 13 points. And then the other one at 92 for 30 points. That's pretty good. And I put also green stop in. Dude, Lanto makes it so fucking easy, man. Look at that. Straight back down.
Lanto then the trader kept running another 200 points.
I am. Alright. I'm done with this account here. Almost at 8k probably. I'm gonna try to trade the one account now. This is the one that's like very close to payout. So I'm just try to lock in here. It's just a choppy day, which is like, oh wow, it's a deep drive. That retapped that 15-minute fair gap. I want to see if we can close above because if we do, I would like a nice push up to like the high of the day here.
I'm looking at ES. I hourly just can't get up with that OB, bro. Trying.
Yeah.
That the down close. 10.
Glad you closed it long out. Yeah, I closed it perfectly apparently on TradeFi. Closed at 93, hit 5 points above, and then just drove straight back down. That's a clean hit right there. They give you another entry for that breaker, but I'm not gonna take it here. I'll wait for this closure. If we can close above the 50 minute, above 410, I would look for any 1 minute entry back above. That's quite volatile on this 1 minute here. We dropped down from 89 all the way to 57, and we're almost back up in the same next minute candle. Dude, Lanto would have trailed out, and he would have re-entered somewhere, even a better entry.
But I trailed out, bought the bottom, sold the top.
That is how you do, man. Have the open, high, lows, close indicator been to help since you started using it? That is this candle, right? Let me make sure of that. Yeah, I actually like this. If you guys don't know, this is by 2 Degrees and Joshua. I think that's Joshua. It shows records of. Let me show the table just so you guys can see. Because I don't have the table on, but it shows records of the last 225 4-hour candles, and it'll kind of like every time the 4-hour candle opens, it'll show you like where, based on the 200 data points, where the manipulation would be, where the distribution, and also the time that it could be possible. It's not gonna be 100% accurate, but like it's a good guideline. I think it works really well with the daily one. So this is daily. I have it on the hourly. Open up daily every day at 6 p.m. Eastern time. That's what the future opens. What tend to happen? They want to see us like do a manipulation somewhere. They said at this time, based on data, and then distribution all the way down to either one, the lower side or the upper side. Look how precise that distribution is. 298, and the low is 299, and they're kind of estimate that the time frame too is like around 2 p.m. So it's not like fully accurate, but based on data, like this is not bad to utilize. And I'm still working on studying it myself. What's the name? It's a paid indicator, but I should have a link if you want to try it out. It's the open, high, lows, close candle. It's a very popular indicator. I'm not the only one who uses it. I'm pretty sure Kane loves this as well. Here, I'll post a link if you want to try it out. Let's see. You try it for a month to see if it helps you. There we go. Push back up.
I like the one that has a candle on the side.
Oh yeah, this is also good. The PO3, but there's multiple variations of that one. Where the heck did I put it? I have a link somewhere. Here, you know what? Since it's a paid indicator anyway, I'll just post the if you want to get the WAP link of it. They gave me a 20% discount though. If you guys want to use that.
Wow, dude. Influencer privilege, see how it is.
Well, 20% for everyone here. Because I'm affiliated with them, but I don't like. I just get a free press. Just because I like them.
They'll just change the game, bro, with their indicators.
Yeah, they do change the game.
Especially 2 Degrees. Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, I posted a link in the YouTube chat if you want to try it out. I'm pretty sure. Let me know if the code's smart. It should give you 20% off.
Let's try it out right
max out. But let me see.
Only $120 for the whole entire indicators. That's pretty good.
He has a lot of. You know how I went through it with you and Lanso. It's just so many that I still haven't explored it. Like it's like 75 months for all of them, I think, or I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it shows it somewhere. But the open, high, lows, close is 45. You only want that one. There's like other one here. I really only use this one for the most part. I haven't tried out the others. But yeah, 25. I think you get 20% off. If not, I could tell them. But yeah, this is an indicator that a lot of people I've seen been using lately. and I kind of only started recently. I've been liking it. I haven't seen how other people utilize it. I'm just kind of going based on what I think about it. But I think watching it real time is more accurate than just hearing from it. So like I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is pretty accurate based off the last 10, 20 sessions I've been using it. 2 degrees is rich from WAP. You gotta respect the work he's been putting in though. All this indicator that he's coding, like it takes him like days and days of hours each day to work on them. Some of them are free too. I'm pretty sure the macro tracker that I use here is free here. Macro tracker. There's a pro version. I'm just using the regular one. I don't really mind. But definitely try it out. It's a nice tool. Recently, IZT himself, if you guys didn't know, I think he was talking about he's making a book or something. He's dropping a book soon, and then he's talking about anyone who codes his concepts, he's gonna have a section for them. So they got well-deserved praise now, even more than before.
Brian, run a London stream with me this week.
London? What time do you start?
12 a.m. my time, so 3 a.m. your time.
3? Oh, damn. Wait, why do you start at 2?
I like to start at 12.
I can say. Oh, but how long do you
I usually don't take a. If I trade, I don't trade. I don't trade till like.
How long do you run it for? If you do it like 3 a.m.
Last year was like 2 hours.
Oh, only at 5. That's crazy. How do you? You're not trading AM then, are you?
Oh, I'm not gonna. I don't sleep, bro. At the night.
Oh, never mind.
I sleep during the day.
Oh.
It should be good.
How do you find a daily bias? I just looked at the daily time frame. We see many closure above the daily bearish for value gaps, and we got this closure here. Basically, we created the last 3 daily candles. We opened up a bullish fair value gap. We tapped into it today and still trying to flip back up. This is very bullish to me right now.
Facts. I want to see that first daily gap get left as a breakaway gap.
Yeah. Same with the 4 hour here.
Yeah. And like gap we're in right now, I want that to kind of expand into those equal highs. I think ES can run all-time highs this week. That's kind of what I'm watching.
How far is it?
Oh,
it's not that far at all.
90 points.
NQ is like kind of far. NQ is like 1,500 points away.
Yeah, I think I want to see NQ at that daily gap you have marked out at the top. I want NQ there.
That's pretty high. Yeah. I don't know what September. I always believe September always has like a bloodbath.
I agree with monthly bias, but this year, bro, the monthly bias has been cooked. Like
it's been cooked, yeah.
May was so bullish.
Oh yeah, May. It's supposed to be like sell May.
Everyone's like, we're going down. We're going down, bro. We ripped like 10%. I was like, all right.
It's the most bullish month of the year.
We're about to have rate cuts this week, bro. It should be interesting on Wednesday. We should hopefully get a good FOMC. I feel like we haven't had one in a while.
Yeah. The last CPI non-farm payroll was also ass, too. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, bro.
They just nerfed everything.
They did nerf everything, bro.
There's supposed to be like hundreds of points. Oh, wait. I think they said 45% off. Fast track trading coming soon. I still have one more in, guys. I took 2 off.
Fast track funding?
Yeah, FTT. They're going to drop on the sale.
Didn't they just do 50%?
They did 49. What they said,
right.
They're never going to do anything higher than 50% because that's what they launched with, I'm pretty sure. So it's going to be like 48%, 47%, just a little bit under every single time.
I think SPY hit all-time highs. Like $1 off, I think. $3 off.
What platform does FTC trade with? So they have Rhythmic, but it's not the Rhythmic that you connect to NinjaTrader. It's the Rhythmic with like Quant Tower or RTrader Pro. What they also said, oh, look at that. I have one left. Lanto would have freaking trailed all of his contracts. It's incredible. Look at that push. 5-minute unicorn delivery, guys. Normally though, like without Lanto's influence, I would have taken full profits at 98 probably, or 93, whatever it was. But I gotta do what I see based off his trailing abilities. It seems so simple, but it's so like efficient and effective.
Yeah, it's just like placing your trailing at the right time, right spot.
Yeah,
I usually keep it under like PD raise.
I'm just gonna move
But
that.
I would have played
right here.
Yeah.
Out like, let's do the math there, or just visual. I think I entered like 67 on top step. I entered low on trade high. But I would have probably taken full like TP like partial at like 15 points. That's like 1.5 R, and then the max one at the next eternal high, which is like 30 points. But just because I put trailing stop on, I was basically able to get another 25 points, like so, like another double X from my full close if I normally do it. That's impressive. I'm always like a base hit type of guy too. Like, whereas like, okay, if I'm risking 10 points and it goes more than like 20, 25 points, I would be fully out. But let me just try it out more. Up nicely on these though. I just tried on my last one though. Pretty good. Here, I'll show my entry though. Off the top step. 3 minis at 68. Took 2 off at 94s, 95s. I think that's like 25 points almost. And then last one at 13. 413. So that's like a clean 50, 57 points. And let me see. I think Lanto would have put his rudder green stop at 84. That's why he tends to like the last internal low. If it's long, that's where he'll trail his stop here now. So like let's say he entered like same where we entered 70 or 68. This would still leave him with 15 points profits, but he'll aim for an aggressive push, probably to even higher day here. So let's say the trailing doesn't get hit. It's like a 9-point move instead of like a 50-point move. So it's like another double points gathering. I'm happy with 50 points though, especially when like that trade only risked 10 points, guys. 10 points. That is nothing. How do you decide the trailing? I'm still new to trailing. That's why I'm referencing Lanto specifically, because I'm kind of learning the way that he effectively trails. He just let the trend take some, whatever bias it is, he'll have draw liquidity. Draw liquidity for, if you're a bullish bias, it's going to be high day right now. 460. Because my target was 411 already. Yeah, taken. And if we can get close on the 15-minute here, that'd be very bullish. I'll just keep on longing this up. Yeah, but trailing, especially if you have like a large position size, like let's say 5 minis, 7, 8 minis, instead of taking it for like 10, 15 points, 20 points, once it goes like 50, 80 points, 100 points of profit, you just made like 5 figures in one trade. And that could be off of one account, that could be off of multiple accounts. I put my trailing, I think 413. I got taken out there. Still running. But yeah, I think normally Lanto would put trailing at 383 here.
I want to ask chat this too. Chat, do you guys follow a one trade per rule strategy, like rule for you guys? Or do you cap your trades like, oh, I'm only taking one trade in a day or whatever?
Oh. I think
I want to see what chat says.
Yeah, I think it's a good guideline for people to only focus on like, let's say 2 trades, 3 trades a day or whatever. because that helped them from over
Yeah.
trading. But like that shouldn't be like your limit too.
Yeah, for me it's like if trading all day, dude. This guy, evil genius, bro. He's back.
Evil genius.
You only take 1 to 3, 1 trade per session. For me, it's like if the price is moving well, I'll double, triple dip. Anyway, I was talking with someone. They're like, "Oh, you should only stick to one trade a day." I was like, I disagree with that a lot. I trade time green. Well, that's an interesting strategy. Profit or blow account. God damn it, chat. The only hard rule I follow is like very, very strict. Is if I lose 2 in a row, I call it a day. But shit, if I'm 5 for 5, bro, I'm taking that 6th trade. No gap. No gap. That shit, the market's moving, bro. Not today, obviously. Today, I took 1 trade. Brian caught this banger.
Dude, at first, look, that happened so quick too. Like I think I started the stream, and I was like, "Ooh, this is a nice 5-minute unicorn here," and like I had it set like at like 1 p.m. Eastern time, and then like I guess like 10, 15 minutes later, it ran into it. It gave you like multiple entries. I got ahead on the second tap here, and then boom, easy delivery. Yeah, I need to get back into trading legit, like or waiting for the setup though on stream. The last few days, it's kind of been some of them been like good trading, others been like, you know what, let's just have fun, flip a coin, long and short. But what would you guys want to see? You guys want to see full 100% trading, or would you want to see half trading and sometimes like entertainment too? Because hopefully it doesn't influence strict trading if I'm like just having fun sometimes off of one account. Out of like when I have like 30, 40 funders, I'm just messing around with one account.
The chat GPT.
Just do you. I could also do that too. But
Full
yeah,
focus working. There we go.
Definitely make sure you know if I'm taking a real trade. Usually when I'm taking a real trade, I'll show like this risk reward tool. Like it'll be the exact setup. It will most likely be a breaker or BPR. And when I'm trading just for fun, I'll literally ask the chat like long or short here, and I'll mark it in. Usually I don't ever mark it in. So if you do want to look for the same trades I take, it should probably wait for the real setups. Yeah, so we're 1-1 today at least. You guys gotta be careful today. Um, oh, someone in Lanto chat. It's the Jew guy. He said W Ryan took the long with you, lock that account. That's so interesting that you could change your top step account name. He just marked it like paid out and then slow and steady. Like so you could I guess mark out like if you want to be aggressive or you want to compound. I guess help organize it. That's a good feature.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Hold up.
Oh, what the heck? It says FTT is gonna have 45% off indefinitely.
Now those resets aren't cheap, bro.
What resets?
Like they had to like quote unquote reset everyone's account. That was they got to make it back somehow.
Yeah. They're kind of doing like Apex. I think they need to focus on I guess cash flow, which kind of sucks because like that's not sustainable. If let's say a lot of people do get the account and they get a lot of payouts and not many people are blowing them, they'll get run under. But I'm very close to. I think I'm at 6-7K profits on the FTT account. So like I'm like very close already. I just want to get a payout and then I'll be net positive. Then I don't have to worry about them going under or anything. That's what I'm focused on right now. Guys, I'm gonna ask a question. How many here is gonna buy the FTT if they drop 45% off? Because right now it's 30%, but I think they're planning on doing a sale. So it's actually pretty good. Again. I already have 4, the main goal. I asked that because for this reason here. I've been doing it for my Discord. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do it again for the next few people. I think we still close. Let's see if we close high. Oh, we got a nice close above already. That's good. That's really good. Okay, let me get it set up first. I'm looking at long still. If we can get a nice retrace back down, I'm here for it.
Yo, what are we setting on FOMC, Brian?
That Wednesday?
Yeah.
This Wednesday?
What's tomorrow?
I
I
don't
know
know.
that's yeah, it's this Wednesday.
This is why,
one.
Chad. This is what I did last week, and I reimbursed I think 8 people already. I'm gonna do it just because it's a new firm, and it kind of helps with people try out the firm because it gives you a rebate basically. I get commission from it. I'll give you the commission if you want to use the link. That's a win-win there. I'll probably do it if anyone buys the account within the next 2 days. So if you buy 10 accounts or something, and it's after the discount, it's 3,000. You probably get $300 or something, $200. I don't know the math of it. But just keep in mind, it's a new firm. I think they've only been around for 3 months. They have exponential growth, but that doesn't mean I'm fully trusting them. That's why I'm also taking cautious with them too. I'm still trying them out. I'm trading them just like I'm trading TradeFi. The payouts within 10 trading days, I'll know if they're gonna pay me or not. But their price point and their rules, I think, is pretty competitive. It seems too good to be true. They'll probably restrict it soon enough. They're not getting my Y instruction. Yeah, I think they're gonna introduce Plaid very soon. Plaid is works with a bank, so it would kind of work like a credit card. I mean, that's a plus at least. I don't know why they can't do that. Just do credit card processor, but if you want to try out FTT and you want to get a extra benefit, I'm doing it probably for the next 2 days again. Use the code 45% off. And let's say you spent $2,000, I'll reimburse you $200 just so it can help with the cost. Sending crypto to an empty wallet. Crypto, I would never do crypto. I don't know. It just feels iffy. But I'm also trying them out. I think a lot of people are 50-50 with it. That's very fair. You said $200,000? No, no. Like if you spent $2,000, I'll rebate you like let's say $200, like about 10%. I think that's the commission if you use a referral. Basically, I'm just giving you what I get from them, just so it can help you. Just in case whatever happens is a new firm, I don't need to make money from it. I'm taking the risks just like you guys are. But yeah, the next, I guess, whatever comes first, next 2 days or next 10 people, just let me know before then, guys. We're still looking for another trade. I'm ambitiously looking for longs. This inverse here, I like this. If we get a nice 1 minute setup to deliver, maybe back to this previous 15-minute bearish barrier gap. I want to see this run higher day. I just said in the chat, if you guys are planning on buying FTT, use the referral link to get the rebate. Press 1 so I can see how many people to limit. I can't do it with like 100 people already. I'll probably only do it for like 10, 20 people. Yeah, I think they do 10%. So like, if you spend $1,000, I'll give you $100 back. Basically, what I get from them. So it'll essentially act like another 10% discount, just to help you guys try out that firm too. Because you want the money. The rebate is basically me giving the money back to you, so I would make no money from it. Someone said, how does it work? Just basically, if you buy it with the referral link, just DM me the receipt, and I'll PayPal, Venmo, whatever I get from it. It's not that hard, guys. Whatever commission I get, I'll just give it back to you guys for an extra discount. Desi, give me a trade.
Bro.
We just been pushing higher and higher.
Yeah. I think ES gonna go for that high day. Actually, ES I like 41. A little bit higher. It's a Friday high. I didn't realize what time it is. Getting another 1 minute inversion here.
I kind of want to see a run back to low 400s.
Deeper.
Though.
Yeah. Good deeper.
Yeah. What a freaking crazy 360s though. Like less than 10-point drawdown, but about 7 points. And almost 100-point higher. That's crazy. Someone asks if FTT drawdown is end of day. Yeah, it's end of day. They don't have trailing like Apex. So I already got a few people DM me about the rebate. I can't. I'll probably max out to 15 people. 15. That's fine. That's fine. Do you use a tilt indicator? Is that from Top Step? I surely do not. I feel like
indicator, what's that?
I think that's like the indicator where it shows like how many people are long, how many people are short.
Oh.
And like, let's say, I feel like that would generally make it like an inverse type of indicator. Let's say like we're dumping hard, the tilt indicator would usually be like a lot of people are trying to buy the dip. It just keeps on dumping more and more.
Inverse indicator.
What does drawdown end of day mean? Basically, most firms have end of day drawdown. That basically means like let's say you start with 150K, right? You make $1,000, it'll trail you. So like if your drawdown is 5,000, let's just put it out 150K here, 150K drawdown, account 5K drawdown. You make 1K. Now your account's at 151K. Your max DD would now be shifted to 146. You make another. Let's say you make another 2K here. It will be 153K. Your max GD would now be 148. So you see how that trails here? And now let's say you just lose 3,000. You'll be back at 150K, but your drawdown would still be at 148. It trails you at your max end of day drawdown. Apex on the other hand do more trailing drawdown. So if you were up, let's say 3K at one point, and then go back to break even, and then it closes at the end of the day there, it'll be still have that 150K balance, but that max trailing drawdown, it tracks you intraday rather than end of day. That's the difference. If that helps you guys. Yeah, a lot of you guys are kind of hesitant with fast track trading. I definitely get that. The other firm I would also, a newer firm that I would like more. I've been liking more and more as I kind of look at it. Let's look at this, because I didn't realize the growth account here is basically like the My Fund features, which I really appreciate. I like a lot. Let's see growth here. So at 150K, basically at 45% dollars, it'll be like almost like 220, I think, or 230. No activation fee. 50K here, no activation fee. $180 here. What's that math? Is that like $100? 180 times 0.65, I think, or 0.55. Oh no, 180 times 0.55. That'd be $99. There's no activation fee, so you basically buy account for $100. You pass it, you get a fresh funded for $100. It's a little bit weaker than My Fund features. My Fund feature should be $80. But I like it though. I do like those type of accounts where there's no activation fee and it starts out very cheap. Are you always live around this time? Just look at the live stream history, guys. I don't think I ever live streamed AM or a different time for the last like 3 or 4 months. If you're OG, you would remember we did have AM streams before. But yeah, we're one trade in, guys. The only trade we took so far, if you just came here, was this long here. Got nice like 30 points out of it. Had a runner that got 55 points. That's it. We're looking for the next trade. The next trade I'm thinking right now is a retap back into this 15-minute here. This 15-minute PPR to look for longs again. I would probably wait for a 1 minute setup to align. So just because this overlapping would be that BPR. I want to see this retap back into it and deliver a 1 minute setup before it's too long. That could be off of inversion. That could be off of a tiny 1 minute breaker. That could be off of a retrace. Just something. I need to see this hold first. I don't think I'm going to enter this on the first tap. Do you get paid out with Tradeify? So they're a firm that only started, I think, 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks now. So theoretically, no one would be able to get that payout by then because you need 10 trading days. But I think next week, some people will be eligible. So that's that 15-minute retap here. I would like longs in this area, which is low 400s essentially. I do like this area. I would be more safe with my entry off of it though. Still early in the day, guys. We're like 1 hour in. We still have no time for another trade. Ooh, this 1 minute inverse here. This could lead this up back to high. The high of the run here.
I'll let down. Brian's egoing me the whole time, bruh, and I was muted.
Oh, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was talking this whole time, bruh. I was like, damn. Brian's like, I was like, do you, bro?
You thought I was ignoring the whole time?
Yeah, I was like, alright, I'm getting egoed.
It's always you get muted. Dude, my mic has like when I mute myself, it shows like a different light, or like, it shows no light.
No, yeah, my light turns off. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, I was gonna say that. Like, how would you not know? What's your trading goals this year? Top three what? Top 3 of the firm or something? I
top
wish,
3
man.
goals, dumbass.
Oh, top 3. Oh,
sorry.
Oh, okay. Top 3, probably. I want to get like 100K a month. First of all, Lance already did that easily. I guess I want to do that, and then eventually I also want to get the leaderboards of a firm too. It could be a top step, it could be Apex, it could be something. But that's me kind of me breaking out my shell of just going compound. I would have to scale up for that and focus on
Loki, Brian, turn me down a little bit.
Oh, let me see. Okay.
I think I'm pretty loud. I can hear myself.
Okay.
Listen to it. 100K a month.
100K a month. Get the leaderboard somewhere, and then also go for trading. I also want to focus on YouTube too. So it could be like 20K subs or 1,000 viewers or something like that. Something that helps me drive up focus on the stream. Because I kind of bounce around. I'll work on the YouTube streams for like 2 months straight, and then I'll have like a moment where I'm too burned out. I'm like, okay, I don't want to stream as much anymore.
Yeah, close. He's had multiple. I think it's like once you get your first one, the second one, it's kind of like a realization that it's possible type of thing. I feel like. At least that's what it is for me. It's like, okay, once you get one, it's like, okay, I could do this shit. Yeah. That's how it's always been with like 10K days, 20K days, 30K days. And I think it's in this generation with so many funded accounts, you could do it.
Yeah.
You should have a goal to do more paid Discord subs, Brian.
Pay more. I think I'm gonna take a break from the Discord subs for a while. I just want to focus on trading. That does influence me a little bit.
For sure.
The Discord, some people need to remind me. Those in the Discord, just remind me to alert the trades I take on the stream. That's what I want to also do.
So fortunate. The good thing is, if you're in Brian's Discord, you get mine and Lanto alerts as well. So
yeah,
if Brian's not alerting in a day or whatever, like today I had an alert, Lance had a couple alerts, so.
I haven't been just trading AM either. If I do trade AM, it's like kind of just tape reading, and then I'll trade in the chat. And I'll try to alert if I remember to. Sometimes I've been just forgetting. But I probably also want to get away from focus on Discord, just focus on trading. Wait, what?
No, because I asked.
Oh, is that from your Discord?
The first one was yours, the second one was mine.
Oh, wait. Where do I see that? I mean, is that Desi alert?
Shit, dude. Yeah.
I can't see it. I don't know where the emoji is. I mean, if Leto or Desi's trying to show like polls right now, people are getting washed up today.
Rinsed today. Yeah,
Really
usually it's a 2-to-1 ratio. Like I asked my chat today, green or red. There's 19 green and 14 red. 7 break even.
Look at that. We're pushing off this 15-minute BPR right now. Just that overlapping here. I want to see this press higher.
Everybody get a 1-minute inversion here too. See if this pushes up to the high.
If you got entry off that, that's really good. I wasn't pressing it too hard there.
No, Armin or Amar, I haven't had 100K a month. No. Lance, I don't. Brian, you haven't either, right?
Have what?
100K a month. All right, actually, didn't you? You almost did, right?
I almost.
Was it 2020 or 2023?
I don't know.
September. Crazy ass.
Yeah. Probably one a good month there, but that's like. Then the other months would have been like red or something like that. It'd be like a nice 30K a month or 40K a month. Guys, how many people took the entry off of the low 400? That's what I was going for. That happened. Very quick reaction there. That's what I was looking for to happen to a retap back in the overlapping the 4-hour BPR or the 15-minute BPR here. Press higher. Looks good for a run up now. If you didn't off that, I guess the entry could be off the 1-minute version too.
A 1-minute version.
Yeah, so I think a lot of guys are looking at the 1-minute version. That's what I was kind of focused on too. If we get instant reaction from that 15-minute BPR, look for that 1-minute setup. It's very bullish just because, like I said, we got closure above that previous bearish 15-minute fair value gap, turned into a bullish inversion, and then we left a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, creating a nice BPR here. So when we did retap into it, it was history there. Why didn't you take it? I think I would have taken that version. I was gonna wait for this one. I got distracted. I need to focus. I basically said like what I want to do though. If you those who got it, nice equal high there. Yeah, locked in. Let's see next trade here. You got any advice on the playlists? Oh, I would start with a 2022 playlist. I think that's where everyone starts. It's a very good foundation. Then after that, it's just up to you which where you want to explore more, because he has a lot of mentorship. He has a lot of different concepts. You don't even need to focus on just any playlists. You just he talks about inversion, talks about breakers, talks about all these type of trading models. The MMX model. Just find wherever you want to dive into, which one interests you the most, which one favors you the most. Yeah, a lot of people are red today, guys. Let's take a poll based off of how do I do this? How do I do the poll again? Let's see how bad this is. Green or red? Green, red, or white? White is just basically close to break even or neutral. It's stalling.
If you guys are red, it's fine. It's literally part of the game. There's these days like this where you're gonna be red. A lot of people red are inevitable. Like you
Yeah.
could avoid them, but at some point you're gonna get caught down your trading journey. So don't be too hard on yourself. Just that's why you want to risk manage properly every single time, even if it's an A+ setup. You never want to go too crazy into one setup, right?
Yeah. I wonder if anyone went red from green from that trade, from that 5-minute unicorn trade there too. That's like the only trade I mainly took today. So I'm deep green right now. But let's keep this up. I like longs though, guys. I'm gonna focus on longs from here. It's bullish on all 3 time frames for me. I would only look at shorts if we get a 50-minute inversion. That, or if we violate a 5-minute setup, which we haven't yet. So this 5-minute here, that's the entry we took there, retrace inside that breaker. We have some equal highs here. Going kind of shy here. I don't know when it was suppressed this, but that's what we're looking at.
I know you asked Brian, but I'm gonna answer it too and how I would do it. For payouts, the first thing you want to do is just imagine 40% of that shit's gone to taxes. Make sure you're saving for taxes, and the rest of it, or as much as you can, I would invest to. It doesn't have to be the market. People like to invest outside the market. I would also have have like a spreadsheet or something like, okay, this is a safe investment, this is like a medium risk, this is a high risk. So I would consider like crypto pretty high risk. I would consider like the S&P, something like that, or like individual stocks. Actually, I would consider medium risk, and then like low risk, I'll be like SPY, QQQ, etc.
Yeah, the ETFs.
Yeah.
It depends on the stock too. If you do like Nvidia or Tesla, that's kind of volatile as hell. If you do like a more neutral one, it's
Yeah.
pretty easy to hold through that. Yeah, we have some equal highs here. I'm not sure if it wants to take it. We're just stalling out these highs. We're struggling here.
I mean, dips. I would, since I would just keep working on it slowly, especially since you're only 3 months in. I think sizing up is something that is earned, not like you should just go into it. So I would keep it consistent until you're more consistent. Like keep your size consistent until you're more consistent. Then you get payouts. Then you can see where you're at.
It's stalling here.
A lot of people, when they size up and they take a loss, they underestimate how much that loss is going to be, and they can't kind of hold it, and that it could go down like an emotional path.
Still some equal highs above here, but yeah. Back to the inversion here. I'm waiting here. We might get something coming up though. I still like higher.
If you get a supercar right now, what is holding you back from that? Well, the 2024 taxes are going to be an absolute bitch. So I gotta prepare for that, and also
Yeah.
I'm scared to spend that type of money. Like I've never spent that much in my life. Like it's the different. I'm gonna rip the bandit off eventually, but I'm not in a rush.
I know
We'll
it's interesting
see.
longs here.
Yeah, ESS is equal highs.
I think we press higher. That 15 minutes still holding. It's not the best entry model right now. But I think you just look to build start and build off of it as we press higher. So is that who you guys voting for? This is why I start a battle in the chat.
Vote for Kanye.
Ivan, if we use the referral link but enter code FTT45, you have to use the referral link, and then I'll get the affiliate thing, and I'll pass it back to you. So that's kind of like what's happening right now. If you want to do that. Yeah, I'm looking at logs right now. I'll try to start with 1 for now. This equal highs are a magnet, and still holding on higher time frame. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of DMs right now already. If you're planning on using FET and want to get the rebate, just probably secure a spot because I'm going to only do it for 15 people. So let me know ahead of time. I can up it depending on the interest though. There's already like 5 DMs with receipts. Alright, half the people are green today. That's impressive. It might be because of that trade that we took though. We only took 1 trade today, and that was a very banger of a trade. That's what happens, man.
When move out of Cali, you're getting scanned, bro. The process of moving is insane. Like, it's so much easier said than done. There's so much that'll go into it.
I'm looking for a better entry model, but I think, like I said, if you build a start off this inversion here and try to build off of it. Brain melting PA. I think this PA is pretty easy.
To look for longs only. Like I made a market like outlook this week. I was like only long the market. That's it. I'm not looking for no shorts. None at all. Even if we get like good short setups, I still won't take it this week until the equal highs are going.
Yeah. So some people are asking like, how do you confirm? Anytime someone uses a referral link, it shows me like your email, your name. So like that's the easiest way for me to confirm there. Another high made. I'm gonna look to long this here if it comes back down.
looks good for long. That's short at 10 a.m.
See, if this knife's through, I'm gonna. I would be like, damn. Why you gotta do that? I like this long right now. In like one minute BPR with it draw here, I think you add a starter and you look to keep on adding to it. I have started right now, but I'm like looking for a main ad here. I'll also try to take it from discount too. Let's do one in here. Dodgy took that short. What short is it? Is there a short somewhere?
The morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I looked at long. Yeah, that was a decent setup.
Put it a little lower. On trade if I have the entry in on my other funded accounts right now. Let's see what happens. This would be the idea basically. I'm just gonna keep on the 5-minute 23s here. I would likely do it because that's so tight of a stop, but looking for a press above these highs. I probably would not get the entry if it leaves us there with on trade 5, but I still have another counts. So we're good there. That'll be the second long attempt here, just because we're bullish bias on all 3 time frames right now. And so far, nothing is happening on any higher time to show that we're bearish at all. Looking good here. Yeah, I'd probably miss this. I have it on my tops up at my apex right now. I was late on the entry off of on Tradeify, but looking for this push up for ES, and then I want a nice push to 40s, higher 40s, probably 444, 445. So I'm looking at lots of equal highs here. We're gonna look for this impulse. Should I chase on Tradeify or should I wait? No, I shouldn't trace. Be dumb of me.
I think it's gonna keep going here. I want to see 41 on ES.
Sir, what do we have here? I just want to see a run to 445 right now, if we can. That'll be my last move here. As long as we can hold above ES highs, too. This is ambitious, but if we do run back into this 1 minute, I want to see this press higher. I'm focusing up here. Very low volume. It does feel like very low volume right now. just gotta play with bias and wait for the perfect entry. And the draw liquidity right now is equal highs. We already achieved that push higher. I'm looking to see if we want to impulse now. I'm not sure if it does want to though. It's kind of stall out here. Yeah, I'll close a trade probably as a green stop if we get an inversion here. That's what I'm thinking right now. ES is pushing, but NQ is a little bit laggy behind right now. I just want 444 if I can, though. Yeah, it's a very slow session. I was expecting like impulse through. That was interesting. I might be looking to flip here, though. That is depending on what happens next candle here. I'm looking at flip.
Did it tease that, Sirx? Oh no, they already had a static account, right? My Funny Futures?
What is it?
My Funny Futures static account? I think they already
I think
had
they
that
did that before. Yeah, I'm looking for this to... I'll add one most likely here. See if this closes. They might just eat this up though. Yeah, I'll just add one. Oh, that's 4 fill. 26. I don't know when it comes back up. And kill that above 35. That's what I'm thinking right now. It's a very... I think it's going to be just a scalp opportunity. I'm more risk about like 6 points, 7 points. I guess my feel is so bad though. I'm gonna risk a low point just see if I can go for a big move on this trade here. Let's see what we can do with this. But yeah, I sell market, and that's the worst fill I can get. The low of that wick. I'm a September contract, guys. I'm gonna switch to December most likely tomorrow or probably by Wednesday or something at least. Let me see. Just want to keep on breaking lower. ES is holding very well, so that's like what I'm like. I think I'll just close this right now. I'm gonna look to wait. Just took 50 bucks off of that. It's stalling out too much here. But ES do look like it wants to flip back up. I see. If ES could just break down, I'll play with NT on the downside. It's a 30-second chart. So far, 2 for 2 at least, though. We're doing pretty good here. Out of 2 long entries. I'm considering shorts right now, though. So, depending on what ES wants to do here, I'm looking to flip. This is a nice inversion drive back in, though. just stalling that way too much. Yeah, New York Open is really pressing it down too. Look at the chat, guys. Guys, what do you think? Long or short here? I need public opinion. Oh, let's see here. Sirix, I'm looking at your message. New static plan. Would you add a small buffer zone to get all of this? Weekly potential payout, micro mini scalping, no activation, and straight direct path to live in a little as 30 calendars. They're trying to do a new static. That's interesting. New York Open has been pressing NQ here. ES is trying to push higher. Long is looking pretty good still, I guess. And he's holding it very nicely here. 15 minutes still supporting the longs. Another rejection off New York here. We have S&T. This S&T needs to hold here if we want to play the downside. I know when if a reg out has become inverted, a nice closure through it. So if it's a bullish fair value gap here, if we could close under, the 1 minute is more tricky. The 5 and 15 minute is much easier as confirmation. So like you see this 15 minute here, we inverted, nice closure up there. This is a 15 minute inversion now, and then we create a 15 minute fair value gap, a nice BPR. So this is a very clean delivery. It shows it thoroughly, but with the 1 minute, sometimes it doesn't show as clear. Okay, I'm thinking about shorts here, guys. I don't want to chase it, but if we get close, especially with ES closing under, this looks good. This SMT is holding nicely too. Let's see if we can get some shorts here, guys. Short too long. I'm just playing what I see right now. We're getting a lot of rejection. We took a lot of good internal liquidity on the upside, and we probably do want to flip back down first before going back up. Let's see if it does, how bad it wants to hold here. It gets tricky here because we're just chopping back and forth. But we do have S&T. I want to see what we can do with that.
Yeah. No like impulse or anything.
Yeah, it's nothing clean right now. I am looking for a scalp lore at the moment. Higher time frame still bullish though. Just looking at scalps opportunities at the moment. I'm trying to probably take one aggressively. Good push there. Good, nice push down.
I want to see 400s here. Probably sends there right now. That looks like a crazy candle. It's like 10 points.
Yeah, it does look crazy. I have one on top so right now for short scalp. I'm just try to trail it like what Lanto does. See how far I can get it. Put a green stop in right now. Just one though. Probably do it 2 points above at 28 right now.
Yeah, I want to see this get brought back down.
NQ is the lagging asset, the weaker one right now, so I do like shorts favoring that at the moment. I'm still bullish on higher time frame. The 1 minute though, I'm more likely looking for short opportunities to clear out the lowest liquidity too, and see if you want to get a run to 400s, and then if it can hold from there, I'll still look at longs. Not chop here. What was your code for FTT? Just look at the Discord, guys. I posted the thing. Go in Discord and look at prop sale. I showed the instruction too. It's FTT 45% off. Use this code. If you want to use a link, I'll pass you the commission for it. And there's already like 10, I think 5 people who DM me for it, so I'll try to do 15 to 20 people max. Dang, that's clean. I just closed it there once we took 404. I don't know if that's the best decision. Lanto would have trailed it, guys.
That's good. That's good though. That's solid. That's solid.
You say that, but then like let's say 5 minutes later, it drops down like 100 points. I would like, no.
We could all cry together.
Yeah, I think the scalp opportunity was off of this inversion tap. I did have it on the Tradeify, and I was going to add basically at 32s here, but I decided to just cut it for minus 2 points. I held it, or I took the starter on my top step. What were we down? Like 50 bucks? 50 bucks on this count. Up, I think it's 800 on the other count, so Tradeify is still pretty good still. Still looking for a good trade on this count. Just went from negative to positive on that short. That's good. How are you scalping every move? If you might think this price action is sloppy, it's actually not that sloppy. Like, I feel like if you look at what I'm saying with the 15-minute to the bullish, we took the entry off of this long here, and then we took another long off this 1 minute BPR here. I think, what was it? I think it was this long here. If not, no, maybe it's this one. Maybe it's this one. To target the equal highs. That's very clear. The easy draw liquidity, bullish buy still. Once we took the highs here, that's where we started to become stagnant. We took it on ES. We had SMT here. Remember this SMT here. What I talked about is if this SMT can hold and then we can reject off this inversion, this is going to look for lower prices for a scalp opportunity. I don't think it's going to be bearish buys on higher time frame. It's just going to be like a 1 minute scalp. So for me, so far today, there's probably some trades I take that I didn't mention too. I think it was this trade first of all. First trade, second trade was, I believe, this one for longs again. I think the stop was 8 points on this one to target the high of the session. And then kind of looking at shorts off this inversion. Yeah, I took at 405. These so far 3 trades, 3 hits. Pretty good here.
I'm like, who joined?
Hello, fellow traders.
Yeah, what's up? It's Lanto.
What's goody, fellow traders?
What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
What's good, man? Lanto, you know, there's a lot of trades I took today. I keep on
Yeah.
referencing you. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do what Lancer does. I'm gonna trail the stop. And the first trade I took, bro, I would have secured it for 30 points already. I did the runner method and trailed at the recent low. And I got 55 points out of it.
Yes, sir.
So every time I'm like, I want to do the Lancer method, yeah. It's
Lancer method.
simple. It's simple but effective. That's a key there.
That's good.
Yeah, I was kind of telling them like what kind of like you've been telling me like what do you put the stop next to now, and try to do it real time too.
We're like, where would Lanto put his stop at?
Yeah, where would Lancer put his stop? But that last short I did here, I didn't trail it. I guess it would be the same thing right now. It's after entry. But pretty good, pretty good.
So you scalp today, huh? How many trades you take today?
3 so far, three for 3 so far.
God damn.
No, first trade. If you look at my screen, bro, first trade of the day. This is the main trade that I think a lot of people in the stream took. 5-minute unicorn trade. It's long at I think 365, 12-point stop. This is the trade that like I think I took at 390 and I trailed it, right, and it went all the way to 417, so 52 points. So it went from 30 points to 52 points. I'm like, believe in the trail. Let's do this. It went a little bit more though, but it's all good.
Yeah. That's crazy, especially on a day like today where we've been super choppy.
I think the PM has been pretty good though. PM so far. I think I watched AM. AM was kind of ass. So we're getting
AM was terrible
right now.
Bro, I'm just so bad on how I performed today. I've been literally just on my PC, just like really reflecting.
Are you green overall still?
Yeah.
Or...
Yeah, I'm green, but I took like trade way too much. Did so many things today that I don't usually do. Obviously, overtraded. What's another thing? Overtraded. Another thing I did is overtraded. So, you know. Nah, yeah, but I'm green. But dude, I went from I took a trade in the morning. I was an L. I was down 1.8 on my personal. Then I took 3 trades after, and I was 3 for 3. And for some reason, my brain decided not to call it. But I always call it a day after one good trade. I took 3 green trades in a row after a loss, and my brain did not want to call it. So I went from negative 1.8 to I took 3.6 at peak, and now I'm closing 2.1. But it's just like I did too much.
I'm doing good so far at least, man.
Yeah,
Blessing for me, dude. Look at this, Lanto. I need your opinion. Should I run this up more? I have 5. That 3 trade. I'm up 3K on top step account right now. Do I run it to 4 or 5K? I need to figure this out. I'm trading 5 counts now.
Do you still like price?
I think I still do like price. I like longs right now.
keep running it.
Let's keep on running, guys.
Yo, Brian's cooking right now. I'm just like sitting here like not doing anything because I don't really know. Brian's over here. TP.
We banging everything.
Yeah, I was hot garbage today. I ain't gonna lie. Straight dog poop.
We took a poll today though. Like look at that poll, green or red. A lot of people were green today. Probably for the stream trades, but I think it was like at the start it was like 50-50. So people were getting some green out of it at least.
Yeah.
Okay. This looks healthy for long right now. We drove down to this 50-minute BPR and held it. I want to see if we get a long entry off this. Do you like this 1-minute inversion coming up, Desi?
Look at it.
It's like
is there a 5 minutes or 2?
240.
Yeah, I think that's 240. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to take this 244, but I kind of was too slow on it.
244. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get another trade here. Let's keep cooking, guys.
Inverse speed and just trade to that relative high. Let's see. It's been very back and forth.
Yeah.
I think it's been pretty good on the 15-minute at least. 15-minute has been very clear in PM. We got a nice closure above, and then we were respecting everything. 5-minute as well.
That open was nice though, because we saw overnight data low get taken, overnight data high get taken, and then we just moved off that for ES. That was really nice.
All those smooth highs. Yeah, we do have decent relative highs. We take it that last run up, but I still want to move higher. And we want high up day most likely if we do held. Oh, Lanto, FTT did 45% off again. If you want to, you think you're gonna
Now?
drop it? They just launched it today, I think. It should be on effect.
I
You're gonna
keep
get
private
if you.
I'm not trying to endorse them yet, you know, until.
Well, yeah, no. I'm doing the same thing. I'm not really endorsing that much. I'm just saying like I'm trying it out with just based off a lot of people requesting me to try them out. Just like I'm trying out Tradeify. I'm still giving my red flags. I'm like, proceed with caution. These guys, no credit card processor. There's new firm. I'm telling them basically like, I am looking for that one payout, cover my expenses, and then it's great. It's gravy from here.
Mm-hmm.
Credit card processor win.
I think they're releasing Plaid coming soon, and Plaid almost works like a credit card processor. I believe.
Plaid's good. I like Plaid.
Plaid is good. Yeah. So that at least give them something. But they're really against credit cards.
Yeah, at that point, why not just have a credit card processor?
I know. That's what I'm thinking of. Like,
it's because of the disputes, and the CEO's literally mentioned it. He's like, yeah, we're doing it because we don't want disputes. And the one dispute they got, they tried exposing him. Literally doxed him.
Oh yeah.
It's like that's a lawsuit.
Have they been doing payouts lately though? They probably have good revenue coming in still. Let's see.
Yeah, they surpassed 10 mil payouts all time.
10 mil payouts.
Oh, they haven't been paying out lately though. The last 2 days. There's probably a lot of payout requests still. Still a window.
Yeah.
So like 600,000 November 9th, and then 160,000 November.
Ron, are you interested in this downside inversion?
Oh, let me see. I don't think I like downside yet until we inverse the 15-minute. That'll make it clear for me. So I want to close under 400 first on the 15-minute, and then I'll probably play the downside.
Yeah, that's fair. Get the hourly.
Oh yeah, I think FT is probably having some rhythmic issues too.
Today?
I believe so. They had a lot of problems last week. Dude, look at this message. Guys, please support FTT by buying accounts. FTT is losing millions from issues and restoration. We need your show appreciation.
All right.
Who said that?
Someone at their Discord. That's so funny.
It's his burner.
We're reacting nicely off that one minute gap.
Yeah, let's see this. It does here.
Just so back and forth.
I feel like the ESPD rates have been a little bit more important. I've been watching ES. Yo, I'll be back in like 5 minutes, alright?
Lanto, give me a trade, bro.
Yep. Let's see. Heads or tails? Nah. We reacted nicely off that 1 minute gap at 240, but I wouldn't be surprised if we don't trade into that internal low and just trade back up, because that's how internal we've been today. Like, watch us deliver nicely as we did off that 1 minute gap, just for us to not even take out that internal low right there at 394. This could easily trade right back up.
Yeah.
Bro, you don't want signals from me today. I don't have to press with Rajan. Rajon, bro, I'm 50% win rate. I am 3 for 6, and bro, I just, bro, I traded OD today. I
This is all
slipped up.
good.
Yeah, dude, I'm such a big advocate of taking 1 or 2 trades a day, which is usually what I
Yeah.
always do. But today I just slipped up. Today I just traded OD for no reason. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow, I'll do well. Maybe tomorrow I get bagged. We'll see. But see, I don't even care that I'm green. I care in how I perform, which is look, bro. See that? You see that buy sequence right back up. You see what I
Yeah.
mean? Wicks right back up after that off that 1 minute gap reaction. So you see that fair value gap get filled, and then you're supposed to think that price is going to trade into that internal low to fill objective, internal sell side to complete that objective at minimum, and it doesn't. It trades right back up. Right back up. So
Oh, he just announced the private server is ready. That's good. That's really good.
who did
They really need it. FTT.
private server?
You know how Rhythmic, they have Rhythmic shoe. They're getting their own isolated server this time. They're sharing the server with everyone right now. That's why they're having issues. So they're kind of doing what Apex did. But Apex already had their own private server. Apex just upgraded more and more. Hopefully they just get a nice, clean, full capacity server. Yeah,
I'm curious.
this is tricky here.
Go
Price action. That's all.
I'm curious if you saw the top step leaderboard today. I don't know how. Maybe because Rafa's on a live account, but his account balance remained the same. But for everybody else on the leaderboard, it dropped.
Oh, I don't know.
Because he's still at 333, and I was at 300. I was at like peak. I think they didn't show it, but I think last Friday or last Thursday, I was at like 330. And we checked today, and I'm at 180. I'm like, let me check my. I'm pretty sure I didn't lose 150K in 3 days. I'm pretty sure that didn't happen. but apparently they reset, so now it's just what your account balances are now. And yeah, I think so. I don't know how they really operate that. I'm still number 2 though, but not close to 1 no more.
Rafa, like, go for real. Yo, I need to invite Rafa on the stream, man. Someone find Rafa. I need to get everyone on the leaderboard on here.
If we versus 1 minute gap here, I actually like this.
Yeah.
For higher?
I like it higher too. Same.
Because we sold off that 1 minute gap nicely. We didn't. We sold off that 1 minute gap. It didn't complete any major objective there as it goes here. So if we trade back over, I think it should trade into that high.
Still looking for trades if there's any.
Yeah, I'm just
Invite
tapering
Kane. Oh yeah, I think Kane. He said he was interested on coming on one day. Whoa,
Look at that.
pump.
There he goes. Yeah, we should see highs. Post high, we should probably see us trade into that high of day on NQ. But bro, my day, so it's so weird because like I traded OD today, but then you look at my buys and it's just like it really worked out. But I traded so fucking pissed, bro. I'm so pissed. So
what do you think happened? Was it too choppy? Did it wake you out?
Yeah, it was too choppy. That's really what it was. And I was just trying to do too much. Usually I'm patient in those circumstances. The thing with me that I'm most disappointed with, okay, sure, I went 3 for 6. I had a loser, and then I won 3 times in a row. What keep trading after I won 3 times in a row? Like, it's just, I don't know what it was, but should see that high though. If you don't see this high, the markets are just clapped today. Even just for, I know high days an external high, quote unquote, but this would be an internal move off this inversion, in my opinion. Just a move, boom, higher.
Yeah.
If anyone here buys,
That closure on that 1 minute, we closed pretty far up, but if you were anticipating this inversion here, it's hard to get entry, but it did work out. Dude, another SFT because ES took the high. If this flips here, oh boy, it's gonna slam hard here. That's a 70 rejection.
dude, talk about disgustingness. We should see high. Like, my conviction lies in this high. We inverse that 1 minute gap nicely. Go to the 1 minute structure. That high should get taken out. That is where my conviction lies. High in the 440 high. That's what I mean. If anyone's wondering.
Damn, what a deep
Dude,
close.
what is this price action?
It is
dude?
so crap.
It's pure seek and destroy-esque. If you guys don't see high off this, it's just seek and destroy-esque. This is what you don't trade, in my opinion.
It's not the good crack either. It's a bad crack.
So you see price initially react off that 1 minute gap, reject, come down, not sell into that internal low to complete that objective. Then you see price come back up, inverse the 1 minute gap, and not take out that high to complete objective.
They're playing with y'all. I'm kind of hands off here.
Just be
But
careful,
if we
guys.
see something.
If this high does not get taken out, I'm going to retire from trading. No, I'm kidding.
You guys
But-
heard it here first. Clip it.
Dude, this high should get taken. We inverse that 1 minute gap. There's no purpose in price
We're
not
gonna take it
taking.
out.
Price is just playing
It-
games right now.
It is playing games.
Every high and low on ES and NQ are getting reactions.
This is fucking disgusting, dude. Talk about, dude. Imagine trying to trade this with the systematical approach today.
Yeah, you got rinse.
Versus break even, break even, break even, break even. That's what you would be seeing. Break even, or impulse to stop, or impulse to TP. Come on, just bullwick this high and impulse to high. What are your? How much you guys want to bet that we consolidate here, and then if we trade to high, not only do we take, we impulse it.
Yeah,
Guarantee
I think so.
Impulse closure over. Into
Bro, I was on
further
a shitter looking at that 255 gap, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But that 255 candle.
But today's so funny.
Today is a joke. The play with anyone trading a day. But no,
It was already
before
12
that,
o'clock.
yeah, before that, price action was pretty good from like I think 1 to like 2, 1 to 2 and 30. Now it's kind of very choppy. Dude, we're going all the way back down. That'd be so crazy.
This is Enter break even, enter break even, enter break even. That's what today is. This is literally trading like Asia. This is literally trading like Asia.
You like Asia, man. Tell me where to go.
Not this type of Asia. Not this type of Asia.
Yeah, I think you're just waiting for that. Waiting for it to finish chopping, and then once we get like nice closure above 435, where New York Open is, we're gonna get nice delivery.
Yeah, sequence. Yep.
Oh, they're probably 61s.
What do we call that?
What do we call that? Oh, impulse. Or oh no, AMD. I thought you meant impulse.
Yeah, impulse. Yeah.
The infamous
impulse season. Right back up, right back down, right back up, right back down. Come on. Just give us that 15-point rip candle off the soul minute right here. You know you are.
This is gonna just go crazy.
Yeah, you guys just... Yeah, this consolidation. Once we get our move, like, it's gonna be hefty.
Yeah, so far 3 trades in. I still want to look for more trades, maybe one more if I can. I'm up 3K on my top step, 5 top step, and on my Apex, about a few hundred. And then so far on this count, $55 on Tradeify, and then about $863 on the other one. So,
dude, you ran it up today, huh?
Yeah, we did, man.
Went crazy.
And then if I can, I don't know, like, how's fast track trading right now? Is it good? Can you trade on it, or is it like untradeable?
I don't know, to be honest.
This freaking lag, man.
Up, down, up, down. You know what told me today how bad price is gonna be? The SMT flips through smaller time frame. Dude, I would just like you see one indice lead and you see it flip instantly. That's just piss. I'm not even kidding though. Chat might disagree because they probably want more signals. If I were you, bro, I'd call it 3 for 3. That's insane.
Yeah. Gotta roll my top step though.
24-hour challenge trading win.
24 hours.
Every session. 24-hour stream would be crazy.
Oh, a 24-hour stream. That could go crazy.
That would be fun, I think.
Who wants to see a 24-hour stream?
With face cam, bro. We'll do IRL. We'll just sleep stream, bro.
Sleep stream.
Go watch Brian sleep.
That'd be crazy.
Trading subathon.
Well, that I don't know how effective that would be. I feel like you're just forcing trades if you're just gonna try to keep on trading. But you know what? It could be good because there's Asia sessions sometimes good. London is always a killer, and then New York most time does well too.
Impulse. Come on. Just flip it here.
That'd be so fun, though.
What, trading 24 hours? Yeah, I'm good, buddy.
It's not even just trading 24 hours.
Bro, you can already do that.
Yeah, you already do that. The difference
on stream? On stream?
It's a stream. Yeah, it's a stream.
Guys, I could add Lanto at any part of the day on Discord. Bros are playing.
Yeah, deadass.
We're all the same way, but...
Yeah.
I think the other day, like, 3 a.m. on my time, was like, Lanto like, yo...
He's like, what's up?
Like, I'm up like 100K right now.
Hell no.
Look at that.
I wish I could make 100K.
This guy.
Dude, we just reject again from that. NQ does not want to impulse or do anything. How long you guys been trading for? Probably like, what's it been, 4 years now at least?
Yeah, I'm coming up on 4 years.
2021, starting 2021.
What is this? They just publicly posted the fast track trading promo. It's like what's Lehman? It's at 15% off of Lehman's or something. What the hell is that?
Mm-hmm.
Let me just look at the website.
Whatever that means.
Is that? Oh, it's a 300K account. Okay, I see. 300K account. Yeah, that makes sense.
Dude, this is pathetic delivery, bro. It's all lining up for JPOW.
Wednesday, yeah. But yeah, so far like almost like a 20K day for me at least. Mainly carrying from Top Step because I Top Step ran that shit up crazy. Just because just because I held runners. If I did, it would have been like probably $1,200 type of day. That runner alone, I think I had 3 contracts. I took 2 for like 30 points or something like that, 20 points. The last one was like 55 points. That was like $1,000 profit just from one contract.
Dude, what the fuck is this?
Credit card disputes for platform issues. Were you saying earlier? What can you do if someone disputes? No, I think we're talking about is fast track trading don't have a credit card processor just because they don't want probably chargeback. They want to protect themselves from it. So you have to do bank wire crypto, which is kind of iffy. Because let's say they rug pull tomorrow. I think they're just gonna take away millions of revenue. And I don't think there's much you can do about it because it's a bank wire or it's a crypto transfer. But I just saw that laptop.
Bro. That's like something, I ain't gonna lie, not you now, but before you, that's something you would do, I swear.
Yo.
I would do that if I was joking, just to rub it in or just to tease you a little bit.
Dude. Oh.
Back down we go.
That is so crazy. Look at the rejection with New York Open. That's absurd.
Not even kidding, today is such a primal day just for people to blow their accounts. Swear to God. Today's like a
living right
yeah,
now, bro.
it is.
No daily loss limit, no nothing.
Yeah, firms are eating this shit up today. They're happy.
They're making bank. Remember, guys, we don't take the high land till retires today, so.
All right. Yeah, I'll retire until tomorrow. I'll unretire.
I'm back.
This is so ass. No, dude, I feel like power. Maybe 350 algo would just run it. I don't know. What do you guys think?
We'll see.
This shit cooked, bro.
No, I just want one more trade though on Top Step. If I can get another $1,000 on it, it'll be 4K on the day on each account. There's not that many range today though. I got lucky playing like long and this short perfectly. I don't know, but I'm full port in the last 10 minutes. Okay, let's see the results, man. Post the results later.
We're gonna get IV crushed. That's what's gonna happen. Up and down. That's the theme of today's, man. You retire kind of top set accounts? No. Just rolling, not really. Because
Look, what did they sweep?
up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I'd just like to take this chance to just screenshot this real quick. Just look at group chat.
Maybe.
That's the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Brian be like, I'm 7 for 7 today. I bank off this.
Brian, I love chop videos. I hate trend days.
Dude, that's kind
Bro.
of what I was for a lot of the past. Like, I was like, this is awesome. Dude. I'm going back and forth. Like, you just play both sides. This is amazing price action. Right now, though, like, we're getting like rejected every single time from the highs. So I'm like, when is it gonna run it?
Overnight.
This is amazing price action, guys. You can't get better than this.
This PA today is gonna make me cautious for the rest of the week, though.
Yeah, I mean, there's no news today. We didn't really have much range. I think the objective's still 6, or was it 690s or something?
Yeah, I mean, hopefully it clears up, but like last week, Monday's price was the best, in my opinion. Tuesday was ass. CPI was really good, but like out of the first 2 days, Monday, Tuesday was garbage compared to Monday. Hopefully we see the reverse tomorrow. We just see price ass today, good tomorrow.
Yeah, it's still slow as hell. Whenever it wants to flip here. We might get a deep drive back down. The 15 minute is still holding, so that's why like I'm still looking at higher. But goddamn, we're not moving anywhere.
Bro. Bro, Desi woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 9 a.m. just for this today. For 8 hours of screen time was shit PA.
I slept in a little bit today.
Lucky you.
Yeah, I got.
You didn't miss much.
I texted you. You replied. What time did you reply? 7:45. Oh my god.
Dude, this just feels like it's gonna turn down so hard now.
Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Brian, when this shit sends to all-time highs, next
Bro,
30 minutes.
all time high. Look at this flip, bro. Look at this flip between ESM and Q.
Yes.
Dude, can Ethereum crash already?
Desi, what do you think about that inversion that we're sitting on NQ? Slam it down.
I'm not
watch this.
dude. Bro.
I think it's just too close to that 15-minute support.
I know
area.
as soon as I press sell, that's gonna be the low. That's gonna be the low, bro.
That's the low of the chop.
Low.
This is how it be.
Like,
At least you caught your trade, you know?
congratulations.
You caught a
Yeah.
dub, you got off, bro. That's
Yeah.
good enough.
But did I really get off though, bro? I've been stuck at Brian for the last 2 hours.
Have you taken a trade, though? That's the question.
No.
Hopefully,
Exactly.
Desi just take the trade with me, man.
I took my earlier one and called it. Top 5 moments of regrets. What was it? 10-10 on the Brian. Want me to hop on with you? GG. Nah, I wasn't gonna do anything anyways. Got my rest day from the gym today, so I did some cardio.
Yeah, so this SMT is just very up there right now with NQ. Like, if NQ make a high of the session or make another higher above 436, I think we're just gonna keep on grinding up. That's what I'm kind of waiting for to happen.
Is it good though, Lanta?
Yes.
What is it?
Good chat. Oh man, I paid some good money to see that, bro.
Damn. Bro, Desi, or you think you're gonna try FTT or no?
Hell no.
Bro, just buy like one account, bro. One account, see if you can get a payout of
Bro,
it.
bro, I don't know how you guys manage so many accounts.
I have the same struggle, but
Apex, I haven't even activated my PAs because I'm already swamped, bro.
you just gotta do
They've
what you
been
gotta do,
sitting
man.
there for the
Copy
last
trade
like
that
10
shit.
days.
Well, are you comfortable with just copy trading all of them? Let's say like Apex and
Oh,
FTT
hell
or
no.
something?
No, absolutely not. I'm so aggressive with my other
Yeah.
accounts, dude. I'm going to cook them.
I don't know. My account balance right now is at 156.3k right now. Feeling pretty good here. I think you need 7,500 for payout, right? Is that right, guys?
Yeah, 75.
7,500. I just have the 150k right now. Oh, but I think the fucking consistent roll. I think my highest day is like around like 1,900, 2,000. I probably need the same thing as trade fund. I need 10k profits total. So I'm kind of more than halfway there. At least we're 65% there.
It's good.
How many people got a payout from FTT already? How many did? For those trading FTT.
I feel like if you're content with blowing FTT accounts, you'll be content with blowing any type of account.
Yo,
Yeah.
deadass. That's been down payment on that shit is crazy, bro. You know,
No, I
I
was
can
thinking
put a down payment on a car for 20 accounts.
Yeah, I was
It is
thinking about doing
expensive.
40 because of the LLC thing.
Oh, yeah. It's like,
and with
isn't
the
it like
50K
15K?
Yeah, even with the 50Ks with the 45% discount, it's still like what 13K.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're right, Lanto. You know what would be better though? Buy the 25k account. I think that's really cheap. 25k accounts, like, what, 180 with a discount would be like $90, I think. Let me check. Let me check.
You don't get paid out that much.
You get paid out 1,500, bro. That's a pretty good return. So like, let's say 180, right? With the 45% off, it's $100. So you get 2 counts or 20 counts.
Yeah.
That's $2,000, and then you can get potential. Was that 1,500 times 20? 30k payout from a 2k investment. That's crack.
That's a 15R, 15X.
Yeah, and then you still have the count. Like you still have some balance on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I asked the chat for those trading FTT how many people got payout already, yay or nay. No one's saying anything.
Bro, because none of them are probably on FTT, which is a good thing. I'd say don't get on FTT yet.
I think a lot of people are FTT in my chat. The other day they were recommended. They're like, try it for us, so you get payout.
Yo, you know what's crazy? Yo, I'm gonna expose you guys. Remember what I told y'all about FTT way before, and you guys were like, nah.
Hey, I'm still in the not train, bro. I'm not messing with that firm.
Desi's still firm with it.
I have the rug pull GIF every single time.
Well, that's what you said. That I think they were still like, like 60 days in. Now they're like 3 months in, like another whole month. So like, I'm giving them more chance.
You wouldn't trade Fast Track, but you trade Tradeify?
I would argue Tradeify might be more trustworthy than FTT.
Listen,
but I'm very bold.
Nothing against the firm. It's just way too young. Like it still has, bro. They still haven't, like, they just launched.
Yeah, but when you were recommending FTT, they were literally just launched too. They just launched like for like I think
no, but it's different
days.
It's different because if you look at their like
their
payouts,
Discord,
they were actually consistently paying out really well.
Yeah, they were. They're still not as big. Now they hit 10 mil, so that's like a milestone, and it shows like more of a foundation. But dude, Desi or Lance, look at this. Tradeify account. My first account, bro, at 8.2k profit. I'll be the first one to get a payout, bro. I swear to God, I'm gonna be the first firm. The first payout request.
Gets denied.
Volatility Trading made a good point about FTT starting to have payout delays because of all the people flooding in from Apex. Watch them start implementing more rules because they can't afford it. That's basically happens not just to Apex. It's happening to every firm basically. If you trade prop firms for years now, you would know like when a firm starts up, they'll have like really good rules, but then they'll start limiting it to it. So they'll take back, and then there's gonna be a certain point where they'll make it more favorable to the trader. So first they need to focus on sustainability. So if they need to, they would probably put a payout window, or even decrease the consistency rule, or just prevent people from, let's say, like like Apex, like they don't want you to do DCA. They could do something similar to that even. It's gonna just limit you from excelling. But that happens to ETF. That even happened to Apex. That happened to My Fun Features. You guys remember how My Fun Features started out? They promised a lot of big things, but they did not implement it. And then slowly they just started bringing it back, making it more favorable. Just at the end of the day, they're just a business, guys. FTT puts you in a live count after 12 payouts. Seems legit. You say that though, like that statement alone, no, that means no one would have got it to a live count yet because they're only 3 months old. 12 payouts, no one is at 12 yet. That's just what they have implemented. But we'll see.
All right, Brian, I'm gonna head out of here.
All right, I should probably wrap up this too, guys.
Lanto, talk to you too. Chat. Hope everyone had a good day. Brian, you killed it. Good shit.
Yeah.
All right, talk to you.
For sure. Peace out, bro. Let's see if we trade back higher here. Back up we go.
I think I'm gonna end it here today too, guys. Three for day. Gonna end it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. It's gonna start around 1 p.m. Last at 3 again. But pretty good session today, guys.
Peace out.
All right, see you guys.